his, her. The term his, her is a possessive pronoun used to indicate ownership or possession. It is a combination of the pronouns his and her, and it is often used when the gender of the possessor is unknown or when referring to a group of people that includes both males and females. Here are some examples to illustrate the usage of his, her. 1. Each student should bring his, her own textbook to class. In this sentence, his, her is used to indicate that each student should bring their own textbook. It is a gender-neutral way of referring to the possession of the textbook. 2. The employee can access his, her payroll information online. Here, his, her is used to show that the employee can access their individual payroll information. It is a gender-inclusive way of referring to the employee's possession of the information. 3. The doctor will discuss the patient's condition with his, her family. In this example, his, her is used to indicate that the doctor will discuss the patient's condition with the family of the patient, regardless of their gender. It ensures inclusivity when referring to the family members. 4. The author dedicated the book to his, her parents. Here, his, her is used to show that the author dedicated the book to their parents, regardless of the author's gender. It is a way of acknowledging both the mother and the father. 5. The teacher praised each student for his, her hard work. In this sentence, his, her is used to acknowledge the hard work of each student, regardless of their gender. It ensures fairness and inclusivity in recognizing the efforts made by all students. By using his, her, we can avoid assumptions about gender and promote inclusivity in language. It is a way of acknowledging that ownership and possession are not limited to a specific gender.